Hey guys, welcome back to Clockwise Crypto. Hope you guys are moving forward in everything that you do. Diving right into a market update here. Taking a look at this article that we just spotted here. Bitcoin targets 90K on high time frame, bullish signals. Now, I don't know what I'm missing when it comes to the analysis here, but we're going to dive in and see because my technicals are not showing any bullish signals at this time, but let's see what I'm missing here. Diving in. Here we see that key indicators are being said are the RSI and Bollinger Bands. So despite prevailing bearish sentiments, Bitcoin has been consolidating above 63,000, facing resistance at the $70,000 mark. This period of consolidation, while disappointing for holders in June, is viewed as a healthy correction within an ongoing bull market. Let's see what is going on here. So taking a look here, you should be paying attention to the 1 week candle close. We're forming more bullish continuation indications on higher time frame. Once volatility is built, we can finally full send to $90,000. So let me take a look here at this chart per se and see what exactly is going on in comparison to what I see, because to be honest with you, I do not see a higher low being formed right now. So let's take a look and see what he's talking about here. So, okay, so I get what's being said. I get what he's saying. He's saying that this is a higher low point and that it's a continuation, and pretty much he has divergence on the RSI, which would say a bull signal, and this is on perpetual contracts on the weekly time frame with Binance. Just for full transparency, you guys can see, if you can zoom in a little bit, we can see that is Bitcoin Tether perpetual contracts. Okay, so it's not necessarily totally the full, just based on price action. This is almost futures, right? So you have people that are almost making bets on the price and calls and puts on price. So I see what's being said, but let me pull up my chart so you can kind of get an idea of what I'm looking at here. So basically, this is Bitcoin Tether weekly Binance. This isn't futures or perpetual contracts, just basic US dollar or USDT over Bitcoin. Okay, this is the chart that's, for me, it's been the most clean chart. So what he's trying to say here is that this area right here is a higher low point, and I'll circle it here for you so you can see it. He's saying that this is a higher low point. Now on the weekly time frame, this does not look like a higher low point anywhere. Like there's no bounce, there's no wick, there's no anything. Okay. So with that being said, I'm always like, well, how is it a higher low point? Right? I don't see anything that shows rejection. I don't see anything that gives us any indication that this level is a bounce. Okay. We don't see a wick. We don't see any type of pattern. Even if we go to the 4-hour time frame, which is extremely low, all we see is higher low points forming lower high points and lower low points forming. That's all we're seeing here on the 4-hour time frame. And this is as low as I'll go with Bitcoin. But I'm just, and guys, we never go this low on the time frame. We never go this low with time frame. So see here, we're making lower highs, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, made a new lower low. Like there's nothing indicating any bullish bounce or anything, any bullish setup as of yet, even on the 4-hour time frame, which is the lowest I'll go with Bitcoin just due to the volatility. There's nothing showing that. So I don't necessarily know where all of a sudden we have an indicator to show we're just suddenly going to hit 90K. Okay. I mean, maybe you could see a divergence here, maybe, but it's a close call. Not really. So it's not really even a divergence from that point to that point. Just nothing needs. The only thing that could really trigger this to be true is if we just do basic market structure, guys. Keep it as simple as possible, and we break a lower high point. So We made a new low. The only thing that would, show me that we have some type of change in market structure, change in some type of bias right now, because right now it seems like Bitcoin's pulling back. We need to break this level. We need to break a lower high point, which would be right here, will be the lower high point. Okay. And that's supposed to be an L. Sorry, guys. But that's as good as it's going to get right now. But we need to break that point. So that level is 64. Okay, no, 64.5. So 64,500 needs to be broken in order for us to get a change in directional bias right now. Okay, and this is all short term, guys. We all know Bitcoin is going to thrive. We know Bitcoin's going to be around. We know Bitcoin's going to be six figures, but it's just not right now, and that's okay. But for us to have a sentiment, I just disagree with the fact that that's a higher low point. I don't think anything warrants that right now. And this is me going all the way even down to the 4-hour time frame. I just don't see it. So we'll see. We'll see. I'm just, to be honest with you, I'm not, not your guru. I just do pretty well. It's TA. And with that, I have been wrong before, but my odds are above, I would say I'm above 80%. Just based on pure technical analysis over the past couple years. So we'll see. I want to see what they're seeing that I'm not, for as far as a bullish divergence or anything showing bullish activity based off of pure technical analysis and market structure. So that's what we're waiting for. So going to the higher time frames here, guys, I don't see it. I'm trying to squeeze it in here, even on the daily. I don't see anything. So right now, next target 60,700, maybe 6,500 is my next target until further notice, guys. Until further notice. So, and that's okay. Going to the weekly time frame, I pretty much see the same thing, except that bounce at 60,500. So I would say 60,500, 60,700 in that range where you see the line marked, you see the support marked. That will be a bouncer break. And for us, next stop 52,200. So that's what I'm seeing, guys, and it's okay. It's okay. I'm not like following this sentiment. If you look at the fear greed indicator, I'm not following the sentiment of being neutral or the FOMO. This is accumulation time for us. So still utilizing it as accumulation, and still excited for the future of crypto. So talking about here, 3 Donald Trump tokens to buy as election campaigns heat up. Saw this article, thought it was cool. You guys know we talked about some Donald Trump or Republican affiliated projects that are within the crypto space. Here we see MAGA Trump is inspired by Donald Trump's Make America Great Again slogan. Also contributes to charitable causes and charitable causes such as supporting U.S. veterans. So we love that. The Trump coin witnessed a notable correction in June. Pretty much everything, if it doesn't correct right now where everything's pulling back, I would be concerned about the project as a whole. Why are you pumping if everything else is not? Typically that is signal for me for a pump and dump and get the heck out. So I'm okay when I see like Trump coins pulling back. It's okay. It should pull back. Here's Donald Trump. They have a Trump project as well, pulling back as well, as it should. Operating on a Solana network, Trump aims to capitalize on popularity of meme coins by fostering a vibrant community around political themes and humor. So another project, and here's the final one, Trump coin. TJT launched on Solana as well and gained quick traction from investors. Is rumored to have backing from the Trump family. You see here, there's a candle there on the 4-hour time frame. It looks like pull back. It should pull back. If it doesn't pull back, I would pay close attention, and if not, get out. Because why are you pumping it? Everything else is bleeding red right now. So definitely highlighting that. Definitely some articles that I uncovered, and right now we're at 60,976 with Bitcoin. Ethereum's holding, guys, and I haven't really been on the Ethereum chart that much. We've been really focusing on Bitcoin, but if we look at Ethereum, like, it's holding, guys. It's holding pretty well, pulling back a little bit, but it's still from about 30, I would say about 35,000. It's been pretty steady. And we see here, you know, what our price action looks like there. On Ethereum, I'm pretty impressed with Ethereum right now, and big win for Ethereum with the SEC labeled not a security again. SEC took another L, but really it's just paving the way for crypto as a whole. Ethereum should be thanking XRP for XRP for pretty much just paving the way to for crypto, guys. So I think everything should be a sign of gratitude towards XRP for battling and pretty much making all this possible, because if it was for XRP just not settling and taking that settlement offer, we may not be where we are today. So shout out to XRP for sure, and the XRP army. So looking here at the charts, guys, fear and greed index, I'm not even going to say it this video. You know how I feel about this. Yellow, orange, red. I'm not even going to go any further. You guys, you know what I'm talking about. Check out the other videos. Talk about it almost every day. Yellow, orange, red, opportunity zones when it comes to the fear and greed index. Going down here, taking a look, Cardano at 37 cents now. Holy cow, love it. XRP 47. What else we have? We have Avalanche, $24. Avalanche sleeper. We see here we have Ethereum Classic, guys. Like, Ethereum Classic's been around, and I think Ethereum Classic is a sleeper. H-bar back down to 7 cents. Holy cow. Render sitting at $7. Like, guys, these are discount plays. Stellar, we got Stellar at 8 cents. Now, guys, I think Stellar is going to be a sleeper as well. Like, Stellar, I think Stellar is partnered with MoneyGram. Okay. So, and they have Jed McCaleb. So pay attention to XLM. All disclaimers, I do hold XLM. I do hold a lot of these coins we're talking about. So full disclaimers, and you'll see our holdings in a portfolio update, and you'll actually see it in our description as well. We hold a ton of the top 50 coins. VeChain's at 2 cents. I think VeChain is a sleeper as well. These are projects that have been around. Dog with Hat is $1.62. Holy cow. Ondo $1. Floki is down 21.21%. Shout out to everyone who made that bag on Floki, guys. I know a ton of you guys have been messaging me about the Floki call. Guys, I'm a Floki holder. I'm still holding. A lot of you guys took profit and made some money. Congratulations on that. Shout out to you guys for sure. MakerDAO is at 2,200. Holy cow. MakerDAO's up there. Immutable X. I have a friend that's in IMX. He keeps trying to get me in it. Maybe. We'll see. And then just a ton of opportunity, guys. If you just scroll the top 50, there's a ton of opportunity. And then if you even look down here, you got Aave, which is Algorand's at 13 cents, guys. Like, there's some sleepers out here. Just do your homework. Quant's at 73, 72. Okay. So there's some sleepers out there, guys. So pay attention. Gala Games is at 2 cents. So there are some projects that are going to really surprise you during the next bull run. And I look forward to even just being around and just being a part of this journey, having everyone move forward, to whatever their goals are. So just wanted to give you this market update, guys. Hope you guys got some value out of this video. Keep moving forward in everything that you do. We'll see you soon.